Toi fa talavatu ile toi tali mai taro fa salonga nei tau 6:05 morning show pero ta ora te mo sola mo le no Talanoaga ma sui o le Samoa campus po le USB al fu le wa tau mai nei tau Talanoaga fa la ro fo toi fa manatu ia le porkalame le o le open day ale Samoa campus po le USB al fu le ngata mo po nei le sus fu lima to sale vers fo ia va pe fo ile mo te le sala fa ile vers tu atu le solusu tolu au te fie fa la ulantu le tau nei le o mato fa tasiai ia manisio sui o le Samoa campus mai lo tu tong vale ia o le tina ia Rasela Seiuli ia mai lo tu tong matau le lo la tuai ia stasio fa ia onga mai le universite sunga Viliame Savo e pe ona ia taro Talanoaga ile nei foi vaenga o le taeao. Rasela will talk about our 2 days of open days now here in not only in Upolu and Sava in Samoan language, and brother Viliame will talk to you in English for our English viewers. Talova Rasela, malo se fo maria nei taeao.
Malo se fo asia pa talo wat fo ile Tato watano nei tae au fo ia oli malo le
malo se fo manuia Talofa Viliame Pula and welcome to our show. Pula Menaka, yes.
Pula Menaka, thank you very much for having us.
Yeah, you're a little bit lost from our direction this morning.
Yeah, I climbed up the wrong ladder.
Yeah, malo va vetai. Ola Talanoaga se la tulanga pena ia le tato open day le mai le Samoa campus ia so ia lua pena ta ua ia mulmuliane ia brother Viliame will talk for to you in English viewers for more English language for our English viewers. For more Rasela?
Yeah, malo sai fua se ia mo le se fa sai mo le ia va no ta ua fai ona ma savari vali mai ai malesunga ia vili.
Yeah.
Ia so fa manatu ma so fa la wilo fo ile open day ali university sa ole South Pacific.
Yeah.
Ia ole PNC la fia po ole nga el mato te mo le a we mai. Ia ole asole open day ole asas full lima.
Yeah.
La sona mo nei polo. Au savai le aso luas ful matsol.
Okay.
Ia ole open day pe ona ta o mo ia ole avanoa fa aurole toina tu ia tato fa na wa onga. E tala mai le avanoa e su mai matala au tu tato university. Ia ele ngata foi fa na wa onga savla foi le avanoa mo tato ni o matsu a wa pe. Wa pe o le famomo ai ave fanau ia o le vano fo le mutato le o le I lava la onga lo fainga venga
ana ko fia onga
ia nei fo ia so le mutato lo pe wa nga I lu male o langa I tawana oi ia inisia vano le tui fa atu langa le tato ia o le aso momola le o polu o falo wilo atu ia tu sama le sulma lima matawa onga yo confirm ia mai ia ole malanga tu foi ole foi wa umana sapena ina le committee ia mo le transport le wa tu mai ti le a ole amata mai ole fitu I le markets ia olo yo saunia foi passi lua passi ia mo le awina to sameti a onga yuta le amata mai lali fitu tai o se ia ola va pe tale iva wo fa singa break ganminga loa wo fa ile official opening
okay yeah
fa wa ia io si por kalame les
e wa o fu pasi
so le tongi la onga pasi mo le avato sameti ta ia fu male toi au mai tai Apia tai fia fo o ese mai malao
mana ia malo fa tai so statement to sa no muli le Rasela il vaenga le pe ona ta ua but brother Billy can you talk about this 2 days event fa muli
okay thank you as Rasela said in Upolu our open day is on August 15th and is next week Thursday we will be displaying some of the schools that we have at the University of the South Pacific. Here in Samoa, we are fortunate that we host the School of Agriculture, the discipline of Agriculture and Food Technology, and that comes under the School of Agriculture, Geography, Environment, Oceans, and Natural Sciences. So, coming down to Upolu, we will have a lot of displays for you from the school. First of all, we have in agriculture, it is divided into 5 branches.
All right.
Okay, we have soil science, we have crop science, animal science, we have plant protection, and our engineering, agricultural engineering. So all these 5 sections of the discipline will be on display. We especially encourage our students, especially students who are in high school, year 13, for them to come on down to have a look, because this is an option that they can take after their high school education. We'll also have other schools represented, the School of Social Sciences for art students. We have the School of Law for students who want to become lawyers when they graduate. And all the schools will be represented during the Samoa campus open day. And also we invite the public, if you just want to come and have a look. Maybe you've passed the Alafua campus and you are wondering what is happening within the boundaries of the fences of USP. Come on down to Upolu and have a look what we do in the university.
So it's an open opportunity to everyone.
That is why it is called Open Day.
Yeah,
so
Open Day.
This is the only time that we are inviting the public to come and have a view of the university.
Talk about the free transportation as Rosella mentioned before.
Okay, there will be free transports from the Apia bus bay market to university, to USP, and it goes every 30 minutes, I believe, up and down. So you have no excuse.
Yes.
You can come on over and have a look. Also, I would like to mention that we have students from other Pacific Islands.
All right.
So we have students, the One Talk brothers and sisters from Vanuatu and Solomon Islands. We have the students from the Kingdom of Tonga, and we have Kiribati, Tuvalu, and also our very own Samoan students, and they will be performing during the open day.
All right.
If you do not come for anything else, you can come and see the students from the Pacific, witness the different cultures that we have. They will be performing during the USP open day, both for Upolu and for Savai.
All right, that's good. Malo whautai. Thank you, brother Billy. Rasela is vanga tau an si the field taro tunu a me se la tau le ngan sa mo fa mon bon lava.
Ia pe na sau no atu ia sunga ia Billy. Ia le o ia le usu ia le anga whawhataanga ia le poa. Ia le tasina vaenga ta ua o na o pe o i o ala fuole.
Me tau whatoanga.
I telefoilani pūwhese e seo sau ni e lato. Wai e moi la walang whawhataanga e telefoina vaenga e se a. Pe o soil science, o le crop science. O wan se tera ko I ala fua e abako fo ia le option nga pūwhea le vaenga e whataua ia o I mawhaela na I study ia le vaenga na. Ia o le fo iwa o le asa foi lea e iei uma I e pūwhese se a isia o ngā umale tono a le university I piti. Te pe ona sau no asa vili o le a o whalo ia, le a le accounting, o Bachelor of Arts, o isi po kalame sese, environmental science, climate change. I o le avanoa lea o le wala au atu lea le university. Ia awane I misi le avanoa le tatau whanau ia le ialo su atu mai e whiu atu mālama lama le ia na fika choose lau option le la ia ai mese foi nei vai tai mi be ole tele foi le fasa o tato
Fatoanga.
ia male climate change tele foi swing ole tau le ia be ole sina foi discipline ole wa tele foi le fasa o mese foi nei Pacifica ona o tele swing ole tau ma ia o po kala me uma le asana
ole foi im fafifianga
o termina le foi le vai ngai se ai tamai tie mai se tano Pacifico ia o la tau la le la saunia fafifianga le as
okay
kai foi e uma lo le po kala me au tu ia ona fa nga solo le o tamai ti tours e visit uma po fete se saunia mo awale Famala mai na po kalame tsa Sitona University.
Hello, Fafta. Brother Vili, how many students study agriculture at ISAPI at the moment?
The bachelor's entire program. I'm sorry I do not have the exact numbers with me, but I can speak for one course that I am looking after. We have 70 students.
Okay.
So you can imagine. So those 70 students, they are not only studying here in Samoa.
Okay.
There are some students, a big number of students that are studying online from our campus all over the region.
All right.
So we visit them from time to time, and also everything is given to them online, teaching methods. But then we work with the local ministries of agriculture and the laboratories, the local labs where they can do their practicals and stuff like that.
Yeah. And what about the scholarship for agriculture?
The scholarship, yes, very good question. For Samoan students, for Samoan citizens, there is a scholarship of 20 scholarships per year.
Yeah.
And it's up for grabs. And unfortunately, not a lot of students are always interested to take agriculture. So
why?
My idea is, I think, I may be right, I may be wrong, but I think is that most schools do not offer agriculture in their high school.
In the high schools and colleges,
So they would proceed with the subjects that they are familiar with their subjects. But as you know, agriculture is life today. Without agriculture, we cannot eat, and it provides employment. It's a big industry, big and important industry in the Pacific, not only in the Pacific, but also in the world.
Yes.
So, students just have to be given a different perspective of agriculture. And some view agriculture as being dirty all the time in working in the farms. But hey, look, I'm also working in the agriculture field, but I'm not dirty, like I said. So our agriculture graduates, they work in laboratories. They become research officers, agricultural officers, scientists, and most of our graduates are holding very important positions in the various governments in the Pacific. So that is what we offer at the discipline of agriculture.
Okay, thank you, Brother Vili. Do you like to add anything about our 2 open days, Polo and Savai, before we end our show for one morning? Asena?
Ole if you whailoa te fo i tatawa onga uma, ole fu saunia fo, moa onga whanai mamau, tau su e maini, o ye fu sina sasoani lai te tele university, ye sasoani fo mo tongina o
pasese
tamai tia mai e lea onga, e fo mo mea alofa kanpe o whanguvai, mea ma ato, ole si mea, mo le sirafia tamai ti, malanga atu tono le campus, o lau responsible ata mai ti tia vai ngolanga atu, ai pe o taimi o te ape ale lole atu na otu le i le ofisa e soea, ai le loe mata upo fentu vai le atu.
Okay.
So, ai alatu ma watu lau whangwai le review. O na lo iai ma ia masini lawai, iai masini wa pe tono campus e e utu ai lau whangwai pe amana mia se vai ai o lo provide for imale whamalestino la to pe a unga mai le tua o sa uni mo whawhiwhianga ilias.
So there's free transportation, free drink, and free food,
yes.
and free money, free pass fare. So, getting off among young,
Yeah, I Wi-Fi for imo quizzes fa.
Yeah, we're right, yeah.
Tele ala o facilita.
Yeah, ma Wi-Fi long, yeah, okay. Malo fa tai tele ra sela mo leva no ta ni ta. Thank you, Brother Vidi, for your time this morning.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Okay.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, okay. Maria tele na yaso Rasela Maria fo fa mo o tato USB verso fo mo verso into what?
Yeah, whaftai lawa mo le awa noa.
Yeah, ona na ua whaafonga mai mo mai ia le atino ia e peona iai ia le tātou Talanoaga le nei tai ao masui o le Samoa campus ia po le USB le fua.